Hey Leos, Yana Speaks here, and in this video I am doing your January 2020 love reading. Now I'm going to start off to let you know that all of my readings are general, so they may or may not resonate with you because not every single Leo is going through the same exact thing, obviously. So if you find that this reading does not resonate, then it'd be in your best interest to book a private reading with me. All the information to do that will be in the description below. So, whew. Spirit guides, please tell me, what is the overall energy for Leo? All right, so Leos, right off the bat, what I'm seeing in your reading is that January 2020 is going to be a month of new beginnings. Okay, so it's kind of like you guys are starting off really fresh this month. It's interesting because it is the new year. So like 2020, you just have like this new feeling to you. It's kind of like starting off on like a fresh, clean slate, right? I feel like either you are involved with someone that you guys may be deciding to um like embark upon a new like journey with each other, or you can actually meet someone new this month, okay? But I feel like you're not really looking for anything super committed right now. Your attitude is kind of like, if it comes, then I'm cool with it, but like if not, then I'm cool with that as well. And it's funny because you taking on that energy of not really worrying about um like the future so much and just kind of like going with the flow and letting things happen naturally, that's gonna bring love and happiness towards you. So like I said, for some of you, you may meet someone new who you guys are just gonna kind of like see where things could go, and you guys are gonna like try to build together to see if you could have something. And I feel like this person is, the feelings are very mutual. They have the same type of energy. And then, sorry about that. And then for others of you, like I said, if you are involved or you're not, it's just this new energy, like a new way of doing things. I feel like this person you're dealing with, you feel really emotionally fulfilled by them. You guys may even like be looking at this person like, even though I'm gonna go with the flow with this person, I could see myself like really creating a family with them. So you just feel really emotionally fulfilled by this person. I feel like this person has everything that you always wanted and everything you've been looking for. I feel like there's a very sexual connection between the both of you, very passionate. Um, I feel like you guys have really good sex. Y'all need to be very careful because the sex may be so good that it results in you guys literally creating a baby together if that's not what you're ready for. This person may also be at a distance from you, so this may be like a long distance relationship. So like you may have to travel to, go see this person, or they may have to travel to come see you. But I also feel like this is what I'm saying. So like this is someone that you've been dealing with for a while. It's kind of like whatever issues you guys had in the past, it's like water under the bridge, deciding to put it behind you and just moving forward and moving to calmer waters, something to something more peaceful. Now if this is someone that is new, it's just this person kind of being like your peace and being your safe haven, and just being like someone that you can go to that just brings you a lot of peace and just makes you really happy. I also feel like this person makes you feel really good. They make you feel really sexy. They make you feel really confident. um some of you maybe like literally have like a makeover this month. Some of you may be deciding to darken your hair. Some of you may be deciding to wear more red, um, and that just makes you more sexy. So I'm seeing something about like maybe a change of appearance, but you just feel really good in love this month. You feel like your worries are behind you. You're ready to explore something new. You feel free. You feel at peace. All right, Leo. So let's ask Spirit, how does this person feel about the Leos? Hmm. All right. Okay, so I really wanted to be able to give Leos a really good reading. I'd be so hopeful to give people good readings, but I like this reading has just turned from good to bad. All right. So you guys have to be careful this month with this person. I feel like this person is being fake. They're being deceptive. So you feel like this person is everything that you wanted. You feel really emotionally fulfilled by this person, but I feel like this person is being fake. So they may appear to be one way that they really aren't. Um, they're very cunning, okay? Um, so it's almost like they may be, it may be hard for you to detect that this person is sneaky because they may be really good at being fake. But I feel like this person is really just in it for themselves, like what they can get out of you, what they can get out of the situation, whether that be, just sex, finances, your time, because people use people for their time, companionship. They're a snake, okay? They're sneaky, they're deceptive, they're not being real, they're being super phony. They putting on this front like they're this one way when they're really like the total opposite. I feel like this person is making plans as far as what they're going to do when it comes to you and them. And honestly, I kind of feel like this person is going to decide to drop this between you two because for some reason they're feeling burdened by the connection. And I feel like this person may be feeling burdened by the connection because this is the type of person that, you know, they're never satisfied with what they have. They're never grateful for what they have. This is the kind of person that feels like, is the grass green on the other side. So someone who may like want to explore the other options. I also feel like this person may have been trying to use you financially. That's kind of what I'm seeing here as well. And maybe you're just not really that easy to use. Like you it's like you're feeling emotionally fulfilled by this person. You really like them, but at the same time, you're not a fool. So if this person is like asking you for stuff, you're gonna be like, no. you know, um, you're just not a fool. You know what I'm saying? But you may not peep the fakeness about this person, but I feel like eventually you will see it though. Okay? I feel like this person is viewing you as the Queen of Swords. So they're viewing you as someone who is not with the BS, someone who's the type of person that will cut through the BS, who, is logical, someone who's a logical thinker. Remember I said in the beginning of the reading, like, I don't feel like you're looking for a relationship, but I also don't feel like you're against it either. Your attitude is very much so like, um, I'm just willing to see where things go. So you're giving this person a fair shot, but at the same time, you're not dumb. You know what I mean? So this person is seeing that. So they're seeing that they won't really be able to have that start, like that new start with you, because you're just not stupid. You know what I mean? Like, you're just like, no, you're not going to play me. But I feel like you're not going to realize this and discover this right away about this person. They're going to be really good at kind of hiding it. So I kind of feel like they're going to be feeling this way towards you, but they may actually not take action when it comes to it. So they may continue to be fake and like continue to like play the game to see maybe if like you'll fall for it or whatever. But they're looking at you like, you know, the Leo is a tough cookie. The Leo is not going to be that easy for me to manipulate. Like, they're peeping that, okay? Yeah, it's a lot of indecision. A lot of indecision about how to go about this, how to finesse this situation. Then we got the moon. Yeah, so they're going to choose to, like, keep their motives, like, hidden. I'm gonna be real with you. I feel like this person's gonna realize they met their match with you. Because, like I said, you guys are not that naive person that you used to be. You've been there, you've done that. You're not foolish anymore. Okay? Yes, you're open to seeing where things go with this person, but at the same time, you know, you're not a dummy. Okay, you're like, yeah, I feel emotionally fulfilled by you. Yes, I like you. I feel like you have everything that I want and that I'm looking for. But at the same time, you're not fun to play me. And this person is peeping that about you. So honestly, I'm not really worried about you, Leos, because I feel like you're not stupid. And eventually the truth will come out and you'll see it for yourself. Okay, so that's what I'm seeing. So anyways, Leos, I hope you found this reading helpful. If you did, please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. If you'd like to book a private reading with me, all the information to do that is in the description below. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye.